Let's make spinach curry today, but in a completely different and unique way. So if you don't like spinach, this recipe is for you. Hi guys, I'm Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. Before heading to the video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Take one bunch of spinach. This is around half a pound or 250 grams of spinach. Finely chop the spinach and keep it in a big bowl. Then sprinkle around half teaspoon of salt on the chopped spinach. Mix it evenly, then cover the bowl and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a blender jar, take 1 onion, 1-inch piece of ginger, 2 green chilies or as per your taste, and few cloves of garlic. You need not to make very fine paste, just a coarse blending will do the job. See, like this. Alright, now let's move on to our spinach. Look how nicely the spinach has started to release its water. So squeeze out all the excess water from it and keep it aside. Do not discard this water as it is very healthy and flavorful. We will use this water later in the recipe. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic and chili paste we just made, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon red chili powder, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan. Also add a pinch of baking soda or fruit salt in the mixture. Then mix everything properly. Well, I'll recommend you to use your hands and mix everything in a way we knead the dough. See, like this. This level of kneading is not possible with any spoon, so do use your hands for this step. Then grease your hands with some oil and make balls out of the dough. Make sure your spinach balls should be smooth and of equal sizes. So see, I have made all the balls here. Now the next step is to steam these spinach balls. I'll use my idli steamer for the steaming process as it has good separate compartments. You can steam however you usually do. Now take a pan or a kadai and heat up some oil. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it slightly change the color. Then add all the ginger garlic paste we made. I also took some water in the blender jar and added into it. Then add few spices. So here goes half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for color, but that's optional. Saute and cook all the spices for 5 minutes. Then blend 2 tomatoes and add into it. Take half a cup of water in the same blender jar and add it so that nothing gets wasted. Then add salt as per your taste and let everything cook for 10 minutes. Then take 2 teaspoons of Kasuri methi. Crush it with your hands and add into it. Kasuri methi is dried fenugreek leaves. You can skip it if you don't have. When the masala is nicely cooked and reduced, add a glass of water. Let it boil rigorously. Then add all the steamed spinach balls. I'll give you a tip here. Do not forget 2 important steps if you want your spinach balls to be nice and soft. Firstly, do not forget to add a pinch of baking soda or fruit salt while preparing the spinach mixture. And secondly, don't over steam the balls. Now place the lid and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Then after 5 minutes, add some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves and serve it hot. Enjoy this delicious spinach balls curry with some steamed rice or any bread of your choice. So guys, if you like the recipe, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight. Bye.